Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have PowerPoint open and a blank canvas. Start with intent. First, pick a template or stay blank so you control layout. Once done, set slide size to 16:9 for modern displays. Save right away to avoid data loss and enable auto recover. Next, create a title slide and add a clear project name. This anchors your work. Make sure to choose consistent fonts and a simple color palette so slides remain readable throughout the build. Now you construct the content. Use Slide Master to set consistent fonts, logos, and footers so you don't repeat work. Insert content blocks. Use concise bullets, high contrast images, smart art for processes, and charts for data. Each element should support one idea. Once placed, align everything with guides and the Align tools. Proper spacing improves comprehension. Finally, apply simple transitions sparingly to maintain flow, and rehearse slide timing if you plan an automated delivery. Finish by running the slideshow and previewing on the target screen. Check animation order and legibility from a distance. Once satisfied, export as PDF for sharing or MP4 for video playback, and embed fonts if recipients may not have them. Save a backup copy. If something breaks, fonts look wrong, animations fail, check compatibility mode, update Office, and verify display drivers. Often a simple update resolves playback problems. If needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.